Padlock pickers, and today we are going to have a go at doing this little tri-circle long shackle, which is the 264, and again a nice little open keyway. So let's see what it takes to get inside. Real light tension, which I think I've already overset. So I might as well start again. And we're in. So it didn't take a lot, but sometimes these tri-circles can cause you some grief, and other times, as you can see, they're a piece of piddle. So, nice quick one there, about a minute. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.